Guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how you can create or delete directories using Python on Windows. You can apply this to Linux also. There's no difference in the code. So let's get started. To create directories and remove directories, we need the OS module. So we're going to import OS. And in case you are wondering, I've changed my editor to Sublime Text 3. I keep switching between editors as per my mood and my choice, so it's totally up to you which editor you use. Well, I don't really care. So we're going to import OS, and to create a directory, what we're going to do is os dot make directory or the mkdir method. So mkdir, and then you just enter the path. So let us call this test directory. And let's save this, and I'm going to open a PowerShell window here, and if I list all the files, you can only see the os.py. And so now we're going to run it. So let's run it as with py, and it is os.py. And as you can see, a test directory has appeared here. And now if I change this name to test2, save it and run it, as you can see, test2 appears. Now let's delete one of them. I deleted that. And now if you want to remove a directory, use the remove directory or the rmdir method. So we're going to rmdir and give the name, which is test directory, and we can want to save that, and we're going to run it. And as you can see, the test directory is gone. And I want to try this. If we just do mk, and if I do index.html and save that, and if I run, it will not work because you can only make directories and cannot make files using this. So we're going to make a directory test, and let's save that, and we can run this, and the test directory has been created. And 1 minute, I think I accidentally closed it. Yes. And now if you want to create a directory inside the directory, so after test you just put let's say dir1 and save it, and if you run this, you will see no change here. But if you open the test directory, you can see that we have a directory 1 created. And if you want to remove it, just use the same rmdir command, save it, and let us run that again. And as you can see, the dir1 is gone. Now let's say that you want to copy something to this directory after creating it. So 1 second, let me just delete that directory, the test directory we have created. Let's run that, and it has been deleted. So after we make the directory which says test, what we want to do is we want to copy a file. So I'm just going to take let's say a music file, and going to copy it to the A drive. Okay, I've copied it. And if you want to copy files, we need another module called copy from shutil. So what we're going to do is from shutil, we're going to import copy, and then after that we're going to do copy, and first enter the source, which is attention.mp3, and we're going to copy that to a destination which is test. So okay, we're going to make the directory, then copy this file to that, and we'll just print directory created and file has been copied. Let's save that and run. And as you can see, a test directory has been created and it contains the attention file. And if you try this again, it will give you directory already exists error, so you cannot do that. But if I just change this to test1 for example, and if I will run, okay, I need to open PowerShell again, and if I run that again, as you can see, test1 will be created. So this is how you can create directories and copy files to the folders. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.